Hi, hello everyone. This is Deepak Ravichandran from Share Market Success. So today I am very happy. Why it is means our followers can able to know today most of our stock has been entered into the 52-week high. I mean 1 year high. Okay. So we are going to discuss about that particular stock only today, right? So I am going to review very fast because the 10 stock I have picked already. I opened everything, so you can able to directly see that. Okay. So this stock I have posted in November 6. So let me see what is the price has been reacted. Okay, so here the price I given this much today reacted, new high has been formed, right? So let me see the next stock. So three company what I given in 7 day before that has been entered into the new high, right? So first company this is, so we will see that. So I have given in this price, it has been reacted till here, new high has been reached, and second company, I mean third company, yes, this one. So I have given here, it could be reached till here, right? And fourth company, yes, I have given. So I have given 7 day before. So let me see how it has been reacted. Yes, so I have given here, so it has been reacted here. Okay, so the new high has been formed. Yeah, KPI green. So I have posted October 10. Let me see how it has been reacted. Yeah, I have given this price, it has been reacted new high till here. And next KPIT, yes, this stock I have given in this price, it has been reacted here, the new high. So everything it could be in a 1 year data, right? So next one, so I have given in this price. Okay, so in October 17. So let me see, now it has been reacted year to year. Okay, so next one, yeah, Birla Mini I have posted on October 16. So now you will see it's reacted 124 to year from year, it has been reacted very well, right? Yeah, this stock I have given in October 19. So let me see what has happened. So I have given in this price, it has been reacted till here. Okay, and last stock, yes, so I have given on November 1. So let me see how it has been reacted. So I have given in this price, it have reached the new high. Okay, so here you can be able to see how much percentage today it has been hitted. Okay, so if I detail it, if I say it will take more time. Okay, so you can be able to see in a quick manner. Now it is very well. Okay, so what are the stock we are giving, every stock is reacting well. So do the back test and do your own move, right? Thank you.